Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I am going to show you that how to manage your Facebook profile audience, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app and then just simply tap at the profile picture in the top right corner, just like that. And after that, tap at that gear to open up your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, just simply tap at privacy checkup and select first option, who can see what you show. Just simply like that, tap on it, and uh, who can see means your audience. Just simply tap at continue, and from here you can set the visibility of your phone number, your email, birthday, hometown, everything like which you show on your profile. You can set the visibility of each and everything according to your requirements in order to um, choose the audience for your Facebook profile. You can also change the visibility of your friend list and following list. Once done with all of that, you set the requirements. You set the visibilities according to your requirements. Just simply tap at next. From here, you can select the default audience by tapping on that. This is the visibility of your default audience. From here, you can select only me, or you can make your Facebook profile private by tapping it only me, or you can set it to friends or whatever according to your requirements. Just simply select your default audience, and after that just you can simply select the audience of your story, that who can see your story. You can see on the very bottom the option to show your story on Instagram. You can also share your Facebook story to Instagram if you toggle on this option, just like that, and select your Instagram account down below. I don't want to show, just I have toggled it off. Just simply come back, and after that tap at next, and from here you can also check your block list or the persons to whom you have blocked. Just simply tap at your block list, and here it will show the person to whom you have blocked. And from here you can just simply block a specific person. If you just don't want to be a specific person to your profile audience, just simply come here and block that person. So once you're done with all of this stuff, just simply tap at next and tap review another topic. These all changes will be saved. So that's how you can easily manage your Facebook profile audience. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to manage your Facebook profile audience, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, because it helps me much more. And do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen, and if you have any question, just leave in the comment section. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, goodbye, to the next video.